This is great. 63 in Crystal River. Same for Brooksville. Look at the 60s going all the way down into Arcadia for you this morning. And even the 70s that you have along the coast. You know, Tampa's at 70, Bradenton 71, Venice 71. It just feels great outside this morning with that drier air just settling in. Day and a half, maybe two of dry air. That's it. And then the humidity is going to slowly come back in. Look at these temperatures, though, where you see Gainesville's actually at 58 degrees this morning. June. Awesome. Upper 70s, though, for the Keys. Northeast to east winds, and that's what helped to, again, bring in that drier air from the north. Now, not everybody's getting it. So this is kind of a setup here where, like, let's go say, for instance, Naples. It's still kind of muggy in Naples to Miami, and that's really not going to change. But yet the dew point in Sarasota and Tampa is at 59. That's amazing. Dew point's 51 in Tallahassee. This is like what we'd get a couple of months ago. But again, not going to last long, as we do anticipate this lasting for maybe a couple of days, and then the heat and humidity coming right back at us again this weekend. All kinds of rain in the southeast Gulf. There's no organization to this. I know your first thought is like, that looks like it could become something tropical. And the reason we're not expecting anything significant out of this is because of the wind shearing. And you can see the clouds. See how they're fanning away from where the convection is? That is a sign that the winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere are pushing it that way, so fanning out. Eventually, a lot of this moisture is just slowly going to work its way northwest and up into the Louisiana area. But you see all this drier air settled in place, which we don't get a lot of this in June. So I want you to, again, get out there and enjoy this. Rain chances, South Florida, yes. They'll have a couple of rain chances, but everybody else, it's going to be pretty slim over the next few days. In fact, 10% or less for the next 2 or 3 days. By Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, we'll have brought in a lot more significant tropical moisture, and it'll start to rain again. But that may not be for several days. So breezy, drier today, double 8s for your high temperature. I got comfy conditions again tonight. Tampa goes lower 70s, but if you're in the 60s this morning, you got a shot at it again tomorrow morning as well. Then Friday will be still dry, clouds and sunshine with temperatures up around maybe 89, maybe 90 in a couple of spots on Friday as well. Then lower 90s for the weekend. Notice, though, even the weekend, the rain chances stay on the low side.